Hi. Slicer visuals are commonly used to filter data in Power BI reports. Recently, Microsoft introduced several new slicer visuals that provide more flexible and interactive ways to filter the report data. We imported several tables into the data model, created the necessary relationships, and built a simple report using a matrix visual. The report displays sales by manufacturer, brand, and item name. To the left of the matrix, we added a slicer based on the classification dimension, allowing users to filter the data shown in the report. The report can be filtered using one or multiple classification elements. As you can see, whenever we select one or more classification elements, the matrix visual is automatically updated to reflect the selected filters. Traditional slicers allow you to customize their appearance. We can modify the slicer style, selection options, we can choose whether to show or hide slicer header, and we can format its appearance. We can format the values, etc., etc. As you can see, there are many options available for customizing the appearance of the slicer. However, new slicer visuals provide even more flexible and efficient way to filter and interact with report data. The button slicer uses buttons as its default layout. These buttons can be formatted in various ways, and you can even add images to create a more intuitive and visually appealing appearance. The input slicer is a visual that allows users to enter values directly to filter the report data. The list slicer is a visual that displays filter values in a list, allowing users to select one or more items to filter the report data. As you can see, the new slicer visuals introduce additional formatting options that make it easier to customize the appearance of slicers used to filter report data. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.